Dear students, welcome back to our English class. We were dealing with the first lesson of Unit 3, that is Care for the Morrow, and the lesson is Song of the Rain, written by Khalil Gibran. In our last class, we went through the poet and also the summary of the poem. The poem is written in the first person, and the rain herself is a speaker, and she holds a mirror to her own identity and many activities here. Now, let's look deep into the poem. At first, the rain droplets compare itself with the dotted silver threads dropped from the heaven by the gods. Rain is a divine gift of God, and nature accepts it and decorates her fields and valleys. Adorn means to decorate. Here, raindrops are as beautiful pearls that plucked from the crown of Esther. Esther means the goddess of fertility and love in Babylonian and Assyrian mythology. These beautiful pearls are taken by the daughter of dawn to decorate its garden. To embellish the garden means to decorate or beautify the garden. When I cry, the hills laugh. Here, when the rain cries, it brings laughter to the hills. And the flower rejoices its arrival. And when the rainbow lows, it delights all things. The rain has a magical power of transforming touch. It is a messenger of mercy in the poet's imagination, connects the field with the clouds high up in the sky. It fills the void between the sky and the earth. Raindrops satisfies the thirst of the earth, and it also cures the illness of the others. Quench, the word quench means to satisfy. Cure means a method that restores good health. Ailment means illness. In the next stanza, rain says that the voice of the thunder declares its arrival and the rainbow announces its departure. And it's like an earthly life which begins at the feet of the mad element and ends under the upraised wings of the death. Here the departure means action of living. The last two lines of the stanza says that the origin of the rain is due to the natural element and dies, so it is also like normal life in our earth. Now look at the next stanza. The rain springs up from the depth of the seas and the ocean. It soars to great height with the breeze. Whenever I find the field needs me, I used to come down to nourish and refresh the flowers and the trees in a million little ways. Embrace means to hold tightly in one's arm, especially with fondness. I touch gently at the window with my soft fingers, and my announcement is a welcome song. All can hear, but only the sensitive can understand. The fact is that those with a sensitive heart can perceive the soothing feel and the affectionate nature and the caring attitude of rain. The heat in the air gives birth to the rain, but in turn the rain kills it. The poet says as this because the woman gets strength from man, but again overcomes him by taking his strength only. I am the sigh of the sea. That means when water evaporates and rises up in the sky, it seems to sigh. In this sense, the rain is a sigh of the sea. The laughter of the field, the tears of the heaven. That means the field seems to laugh when the rain falls. In this sense, the rain is the laughter of the field. The poem ends like a friendly letter saying that so with love, sighs from the deep sea of affection, then laughter from the colorful field of the spirit, and tears from the endless heaven of memories. Now let's go through the appreciation of the poem. Song of the Rain is a poem by Khalil Gibran describing the heavenly beauty of the rain. The poem is written in the first person and the rain itself is a speaker. The rain looks like silver thread coming from heaven, sent by God. Mother Nature uses the rain to beautify the fields and valleys. It's a very pearl plucked from the crown from Esther, the goddess of fertility, by the daughter of dawn to beautify the gardens. When the rain cries, it brings laughter to the hills. The flowers rejoice at its arrival. When the rain bows low, it delights all things. The field and the clouds are portrayed as lovers. When it sees a field which needs a rain, it falls down on it and hugs every flower and leaf. It touches every window with its soft fingers and people welcome it. It is born from the hot air of the atmosphere, but it kills the heat, the one who gave birth to it. The poet compares it with a woman who overcomes man with the strength she takes from him. The rain is a sigh of the sea. The poem ends like a friendly letter. So, with love, with sigh, laughter, and tears. The poem is divided into 3, 4, and 5 line stanzas. They don't follow any rhyme scheme here. Khalil Gibran has used many metaphor. What is the metaphor here? I am dotted silver threads. Simile, which is a simile used here? I am like earthly life. An alliteration, pearls plucked. And personification is the hills laugh. That shows the quality of a person. There are fine visual images like fields, valleys, and auditory images like when I cry. Here the rain cries. Okay, that makes the poem truly exquisite. The word choice of the poem is symbol. So I hope you understood how to write an appreciation of the poem. If there is any doubt related to this, you can ask me. Okay, see you.